Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Sufi bin Muhammad Firdaus, 24 DKM 19F1063.
Hello, my name is Danial bin Sarudin. I'm from DKM 4A. My matrix number is 24 DKM 19 F1072.
Powder bed fusion is an additive manufacturing process and work on the same basic principle in that parts are formed through adding material rather than subtracting it through conventional forming operations such as milling. The PBF process begins with the creation of a 3D CAD model, which is numerically sliced into several discrete layers. For each layer, a heat source scan path is calculated, which defines both the boundary contour and some form of fill sequence. Often a raster pattern since heat source is typically an energy beam. The powder bed fusion advantage include reduced material wastage and cost, improved production development times, enablement of rapid prototyping and low volume production, capable of building functionally graded parts and fully customized parts on a batch by batch basis and eliminating fixed design. First, you go to Google and search tinkercad.com, and then you sign up an account to start designing. After you sign up, this will appear in your screen, and click create new design. After that, it will show you the workplace is empty for you to start design. If you want to change the point of view of the design, you can click the top left of the workplace cube. The view from top, bottom, left, right, front and the back. You also can hold and press the right click button and rotate to the view you want. To start designing, you can go to the right part of the screen and choose your shape that you want to design. You can find many shapes that you want by scrolling down at the right part of your screen. Amount of width in the box, same as length and height that you want. You can press and hold the right click and rotate to see from any view as you want of the cube. And then click another shape such as this pyramid and drag to the workplace. Click the pyramid at the workplace and set the size that you want. Set the height of the pyramid base same as the height of the cube, so you can place the pyramid on the top of the cube nicely. Move the pyramid to the top of the cube by dragging it, and make sure place the base of the pyramid at the same position of the top of the cube. Now the design is done. If you want to print the design that you make, you have to go to the top right column and click the export button and then click STL, and the design will be downloaded and you can print the design.
SLM, or also known as selective laser melting, uses a variety of alloys, allowing prototypes to be functional hardware made out of the same material as production components. Since the components are built by layer, it is possible to design organic geometries, internal features, and challenging passage. LMS produce strong, durable metal parts that work well as both functional prototypes or end-use production parts. The process starts by slicing the 3D CAD file data into layers, usually from 20 to 100 micrometers thick, creating a 2D image of each layer. This file format is the industry standard file used on most layer-based 3D printing or stereolithography technologies. This file is then loaded into a file preparation software package that assigns parameters, values, and physical support. With selective laser melting, thin layers of atomized fine metal powder are evenly distributed using a coating mechanism onto a substrate plate, usually metal, that is fastened to an indexing table that moves in the vertical axis. This takes place inside a chamber containing a tightly controlled atmosphere of inert gas, either argon or nitrogen at oxygen levels below 500 parts per million. Once each layer has been distributed, each 2D slice of the part geometry is fused by selectively melting the powder. This is accomplished with a high-power laser beam, usually an ytterbium fiber laser with hundreds of watts. The laser beam is directly in the X and Y direction with two high-frequency scanning mirrors. The laser energy is intense enough to permit full melting or welding of the particles to form the solid metal. The process is repeated layer after layer until the part is complete.
You, boy, you got me hooked onto something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel that love?